Hi everyone, I'm Shala Yoga here. This is part 2 of our Yoga for the Bird series. So today we're going to be working on a posture called Pigeon pose, otherwise known as rajakapotasana, one of my favourite Sanskrit names to say. So to do this, we're going to bring our right leg up parallel to the front of the mat. And you may find that your leg will angle back a little bit, that's only natural. Back leg is stretched out nice and straight behind you. And you can support yourself on your hands, reaching the chest forward, gazing ahead. From here, you may find that you can balance upon one knee. And you can take one hand up if you wish. And once you get used to doing this, you can maybe try and catch your back foot behind you. Alright, so we'll try the other side. There's an easier way of doing this posture which I'll show you after. So once again, stretching out back leg, leaning on your hands until you feel confident that you can kneel up. And then maybe taking the right hand up this time. You can gaze up. You can try and catch the right foot behind you with your left hand. And then, this is the easier bit that I'm just going to show you. You can just fold forward over your front leg and bring your head down. You can stay in this position for quite a long time. Just getting a nice stretch to the outer thigh of the front leg. Then repeat that on the other side. So if you're just trying this for the first time or not quite so flexible, you might just want to do this version. It's a really good stretch for this whole outer thigh up into the glutes area. Okay, so that was Yoga for the Birds part 2. Thank you for practicing, and I'll be back next week with another one. Namaste.